GM authority says it starts the vulgar pricing for the 2023 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing and CT5-V Blackwing. The lesson again is that more expensive things get more expensive more quickly. The MSRP for the CT4 Blackwing is said to rise $1,500, a 2.5% increase, going from $58,995 to $60,495 for the entry trim with the 6-speed manual transmission. At the $1,395 destination charge and shopper will kick off the bidding at $61,890. Defer options. Passing the 10-speed automatic takes the opening price $65,065. The MSRP for the CT5 Blackwing, on the other hand, is set to swell by $7,000, an 8% increase. That will take the super sedan's entry price to $92,390 after destination when fit with a 6-speed manual, or $95,565 when sporting the 10-speed out. The CT5-V Blackwing is rumored to get more extensive color menu change, but 2022 sedan offer the same color for the same price, so we were not sure if or why the CT4-V Blackwing will ultimately defer. According to the report, the bigger brother will lose satin steel metallic and shadow metallic, both $625, and infrared tintcoat that costs $1,225.